Hello everyone and welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to hard reset your washing machine. If your washer is acting up, follow these simple instructions to get it back to its default settings. Step 1. Power off the washing machine. Turn off your washing machine completely. Wait a few minutes to ensure it's fully powered down. Step 2. Set dial to drain. Turn the dial to the drain setting. This ensures any residual water will be removed before resetting. Step 3. Reset on Start Reload button. Locate the Start Reload button. Press and hold it for a few seconds until you hear a beep sound, indicating the reset has started. Step 4. Change dial setting. Turn the dial to a different wash setting. Example, mix load. Press and hold the Start button again until you hear another beep. Step 5. Finalize the reset. Turn the dial to the off position. Open and close the front door firmly a few times to manually trigger the reset function. Close the door securely to prevent any future error messages. That's it. You've successfully reset your washing machine settings. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.